Okay. Hi guys, I'm Willie Russell.
And I'm Jill Russell.
And we are the founders of advntrstudio. We're going to take you through our day, show you a bit of our office, and how we've been living and working together, especially during this quarantine. We are based here in Brooklyn, New York. This is our home office. We're somewhat lucky because we've been working from here, our home and office, for the past 3 to 5 years on and off. So not a lot has changed, but there's still a lot that we do to make sure we're staying sane and creative and relaxed during the quarantine.
So we've been freelancing for about 10 years individually and started our studio around 5 years ago. And it's just us two running ADVNTR, and we just happen to be married.
Mm-hmm.
I'm primarily the designer, and
I do the animation, 2D, 3D.
all that fun stuff.
All that.
So that's our work life in a normal time. But how has COVID-19 affected our daily work routine? Obviously, some projects had to be canceled or pushed back, which leaves us with a lot of free time. One thing I can suggest is doing things that you've been putting off for a long time. Like, I've been putting off taking more online classes, whether it's your career related, so like drawing or design or animation, or a random class that you've always wanted to take. Another thing that I've been doing is organizing this entire apartment. So office, even the kitchen, pantry, everything has been organized, and it's been great for my peace of mind and productivity.
Another thing you can do during quarantine with this free time to feel good is work on something that will be valuable to you once this is over. So like we're working on a little manifesto / real intro for adventure, because things, will bounce back, and you can take advantage of this time, release the anxiety, and just know that you're prepared for when they do.
It's also okay to not do anything and not be productive, because sometimes you just need a break.
There's definitely nothing wrong with a little bit of me time at the end of the day. The work-life balance is important.
Yeah, exactly. I think because we're married, it's actually helpful because we're really honest, transparent, and very open, and there's no holding back sometimes, which is a good thing, and it could be a bad thing sometimes, but we've learned the balance throughout our years working together. Obviously can be tough, and it was at first. There's a lot of roadblocks you hit, a lot of frustration that can happen, but in the past 5 years, we've learned a lot. And I think one of the biggest things I have learned is to check your ego at the door. Help each other make the best product you can. And you have to keep that mindset no matter who it is, be it your wife or anyone else coming at you with criticism, because it's important to know that we're both going for the same type of outcome, which is fun, beautiful, informative work. I've learned to listen to her, and we've learned to trust each other. And respect each other's work, which is importante.
Thank you guys for watching this video. We hope you found our experience or advice helpful.
And don't forget to check out Domestika for our upcoming course that we'll be doing.
Bye.
Bye.